This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda DeRamus. Welcome home to your beautifully remodeled villa in the heart of Boca Raton. You'll love the open floor plan with a new kitchen featuring new cabinets, granite counters, stainless sink and fixtures, as well as stainless appliances. Kitchen extends into den area featuring built-in bar wine rack. Primary bath has new seamless shower. This split bedroom plan has a lot of open space leading you to a great lake view and newly paved private patio. You'll love being steps from the clubhouse and pool. Don't forget you can walk to grocery stores, bars, restaurants, the YMCA, and houses of worship. This place has it all. HOA requires a credit score of 720. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda DeRamus at 561-981-9400.